Start racing.
What's up, guys? It's Tommy with Start Racing, and we're back for another episode of my road to grid life at Laguna Seca. So first off, shout out to our partner and sponsors of today's video, Race Factory. They're gonna be helping us upgrade the BMW today, and I'm excited for what we got going. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So last time we were here, my guys at Race Factory hooked up the ground control coilovers. I threw those on the car, and we tried to test them out at Thunderhill, but unfortunately we had an exhaust leak coming off the headers, so we had to shut down the day early, but we continue on as part of the game. So today we're here to get the carbon roof done and replaced, the poly windows installed, which combined with the coilovers is gonna be a whole new feel to the car because we're lowering the center of gravity and now going through corners, the suspension, the sway bars, all of that stuff is gonna be much improved. So I'm really expecting it to feel like a new car. Also, we'll be dialing all of that in because there are adjustments that we will need to make on our way to grid life so that we can be competitive at grid life. And we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. We'll be out at Sonoma Raceway with our other partner, NASA, later this month to test all that out and really dial it all in. So, should be fun. We're excited to take you guys along, and let's get into it. So, over here we have my cousin, or my twin brother, getting some work done. Mom, we got bunk bed. Can we put in a stepbrothers? Can we do bunk beds?
We think it would be very prudent.
Can we turn our beds into bunk beds?
Yes.
Why are you guys so sweaty?
There's so much roof activity.
That would be perfect.
Yeah. Tybo. But no.
I've never asked this before. You like my home?
Yeah. Bunk beds was a terrible idea. Yeah. But we're almost done, so yeah, as you can see, there's no windows. But we do got some camping chairs installed. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no window here. No windows up front. Yeah. I think they
Is that for aero? Good airflow?
yeah,
The cabin?
air-cooled BMW. Got an issue with bugs in the face.
And you got a close face helmet. You know.
Yeah. But yeah, this is part of the process to get all this stuff out in order to get this out so that we can get the roof on there. Don't record that, Dale. Okay. Oi. There it goes.
So much easier with the window up.
Yeah. No more AC. It'd be nice if we could remove this, but I don't know how the wire or where would we put that. Yet because I didn't take anything else off the front, and then I didn't take the amp out yet, but I do want to take it out. I got a braille, like a 12-pound or a 10-pound or something like that. Sport, like door cards. I don't know if those will go in with the... That's loud.
wire wheel and everything.
Sure.
It'll just be the front and the back.
What are you grinding off here?
So we're grinding off, there's like a rubber gasket that is covering these spot welds, which is holding all this to the rest of the car. There's like little circles, I don't know if you can see the indentations.
Yeah.
So we're grinding it off to expose that. Then you have to drill each one out, which is, there's a bunch all through here. So we're gonna have to do a lot of drilling.
German engineering.
Yeah, and then once you get through that, for Josh, there's a glue that you're gonna have to kind of peel this all back.
Okay.
But yeah, trying to get to that. He's picking out the right drill bit in order to get the spot weld drilled out.
Sweet.
You know, some of the most important parts of the game and the most crucial part of the game is kicking the field goal. Watch this.
Ta-da!
Field goal kicked.
I was trying to catch that very last one.
That's bing.
Cinematic.
I always think of Alonzo when he's like, I'm a precision with this shit, or I'm a surgeon with this shit. And he got the shotgun.
Surgeon with the tool.
There you go. Yeah. Kill that wig deck, boy.
So like you learned some new tricks of the trade?
For sure. I'm glad I got to be a part of it, you know, instead of just dropping off and dipping.
Yeah, that's a different experience. Right?
For sure. Definitely could do it on your car, so hit me up. No, this is the easy part. The hard part's the install.
I'm sure.
All right, so we're weighing it. we're not factoring in the other roof being put on, but it's, you know, next to nothing is carbon fiber. We got about 33 pounds with just this.
Plus the roof skin.
Not to mention the interior, what you call it? Headliner, whatever that weighed, you know.
That's
I didn't weigh all that stuff. She.
I think you're ready to work in the shop, Tom.
Yeah, you guys hiring? No way.
how much?
24-ish?
It didn't feel that heavy. Wow.
Doesn't feel that heavy at all
60 pounds
from up top.
just off the.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy actually.
Let me see. Maybe it's because you're holding it. Oh yeah, it's about 20. Let me see. Yeah, I could. Yeah. All right, so we got all the spot welds out, as you can see. Some are deeper than others, but you have to drill out the spot welds in order to get it off, and you kind of just pry it. And so just right now, just with the steel roof or whatever metal roof it is, and the sunroof, we lost 60 pounds. 60 freaking pounds. And that I didn't already taken out the headliner and the lights and other stuff associated with it, so damn near even more. So pretty cool. And then you got this, we got the replacement baby right here, which is already lighter even in a box. You know, so yeah, dope stuff.
Christmas every other weekend.
I was telling Josh I wanted to open it so much. I probably should have to make sure that it was in good shape. Like that.
What, about 6 pounds?
About 6.
So
Plus the
what?
brace, 8 pounds. So we got old roof off, right? We got the new roof right there. We just weighed it. That one weighs 8 pounds. Yeah. With
6
the 8
pounds.
No, that one weighs 6 pounds. This weighs 60 pounds. And then the brace that goes in here weighs about 2.5 pounds. So we lost 60 and gained 8.5. So it's like a 51 pound difference from up top on a super light chassis already. Dude.
It's like driving around with a 45-pound plate on
Yeah,
it.
dude. Just think about that motion and that with the new coilovers. Oh man, I'm stoked. It's gonna be a whole different car. So obviously the roof is out. This is the center support brace. It's gonna go in here. And it's gonna give rigidity to the carbon fiber because that's a pretty big exposed place for no support. So it's gonna make it more sturdy.
And it's carbon's flexible too.
Exactly.
That's why you use the mow.
All right. Oh, that's why. That's why you need the brace. Stoked. I can't wait to drive it and see how it feels. All right, so we're continuing on with the carbon fiber roof install, but we won't be able to be here for the whole install. Obviously, we got to go live our lives and be dads and be sons and all that stuff. So we're just going to show you what else is going to go on the car while we're not here. So here we got like a shark fin rear poly window that's going to go on. These are going to go on both sides. Came straight from, I don't know if it was Germany, but somewhere in Europe, because I had to pay a tariff on it. Mother suckers. And then we have the replacement poly rear window that's going to go in as well. This doesn't look as cool, so I don't need to show you guys, but just know that it's going to be considerably lighter than this one. And those will be considerably lighter than the rear passenger windows I got now. And that's pretty much going to be it for the weight reduction stuff. We do have to address my header leak that we went through at Thunderhill last track day. So we could actually go look at a E46 example they have up on the rig right now. Let's check it out. We'll be able to see it well. So the exhaust and the headers are out, obviously. Right here, there's a connection piece where we thought the leak was coming from, where the cat back connects to the headers. But we tested it. There was no airflow coming from around the coupling, so the sound is coming from up here. There's a leak coming off the block, so we're gonna have to address that before my next track day. We may go some racing headers. We may just put back in the stocks that are on it. We'll see.
I bought racing headers.
I bought racing headers too. But yeah, we'll see. It's all gonna be smog legal.
Yes.